Hi, I'm Kristen Fisher, and I did my social entrepreneur profile on Liz Chen and Cristina Leos. Some background on the founders. Liz Chen graduated in 2010 from Princeton University. She has degrees in anthropology, global health, and health policy. Once she graduated, she joined Teach for America, where she taught high school science in North Carolina. She is now pursuing a PhD in health behavior at UNC Gillings Schools of Global Public Health. Leos is from El Paso, Texas. She graduated from Stanford University with a degree in human biology. She completed her Master's of Science in Public Health at UNC Gillings in Health Behavior and is now a third-year doctoral student in the same department. Another co-founder who is not listed in the 30 under 30, she's Vici Jagnathan, and she's a recent MBA graduate student from the Yale School of Management. She also holds degrees in electrical engineering from Princeton and Stanford. In 2011, she joined Teach for America, where she also taught high school science in North Carolina. And I have a quick video about her talking about My Health Ed Incorporated.
My name is Vici, and I'm one of the co founders of Real Talk, which is a mobile app that uses real stories by real teens to help middle school students learn about sexual health and healthy relationships. I care about sex ed because, as a high school Teach for America teacher in rural North Carolina, I watched as 1 in 5 of my female students became pregnant before finishing the 10th grade. One of those students was Nini, who was also the valedictorian of her class and had been accepted to 4 colleges. 5 years later, Nini has 3 children and has yet to enroll in school. She didn't have access to a comprehensive sex ed course at our high school, and unfortunately, her story is not unique. Across the country, 39 out of 50 states do not require their schools to teach comprehensive, medically accurate sex ed.
My Health Ed Incorporated is a nonprofit organization and it was founded in 2016. Real Talk is their mobile app that delivers sexual health information through stories written by real teens. It also has stories that covers topics such as healthy relationships, bullying, mental health, and online safety. Their mission statement is, "Our mission is to use human-centered design to improve the health and well-being of youth of every identity." Their goal for social change is giving teens a platform to talk and learn about health and sex education. They want to do this because not all schools properly teach these topics and it allows for teens to be informed regardless. And it also creates a healthier world for teens by reaching them in a way that is engaging and more effective. Their approach for making a social change is that they're reaching teens in a completely different way than usual to educate them. It also allows for them to learn about topics that they're too nervous to talk about with their friends, teachers, or parents. My Health Ed's business model is definitely product to service. They stress the value of their mobile app by the service it performs through educating teens about healthy relationships, mental health, and sex education. Since they're a nonprofit, the service and the benefit of the service must be stressed. The direct impact of Real Talk. In 2018, the app has been downloaded more than 6,000 times and reaches across 50 states and 80 countries. The countries with the most users include the US, the UK, France, Australia, and Canada. They received sponsorships from multiple organizations. In August 2016, they received $325,000 from one of their sponsors, the Office of Adolescent Health, in seeding funding to develop their iOS app. They also received $10,000 in funding from the Aetna Foundation. They're also supported by Google, Innovate Health Yale, Office of Adolescent Health, and Fast Forward. Their team consists of their two founders, Leos and Chen, and they also have 5 additional people on their board of directors, and as well as 4 teens on their teen advisory board. These teens look at the different stories and decide which ones go on their app and which ones don't. The organization's success, it has reached multiple countries with thousands of users. There's also a constant need for this service, and it's based off of very human experiences that can be too nervous to talk about. They also have received publicity and features from Teen Vogue, Yahoo, Forbes, ABC News, Girl Talk HQ, and Smithsonian. Some quotes from the founders. Liz Chen stated, "We want to normalize talking about these taboo topics so that teens feel comfortable talking to peers and trusted adults more, and also connect teens to high-quality online resources that they can return to later." And Leos stated, "Our goal is to shortcut institutional barriers to receiving sex education by bringing it directly to teens on their phones." Thank you for listening to my presentation.